Write the plan you can. Don't worry about the one you can't. If you've not got a plan yet and you're blocked by the inability to make the plan you think your project deserves, get started on what you are able to do. If you're thinking about Gantt charts and detailed plans and MS Project, but you don't have the information or the clarity or the tools or the ability to create the grand plan that you imagine you need, then just do the small plan that you can. If you don't have planning software, use a spreadsheet until you get better tools. If you don't have the details, just put down what you can for now. Anything that's less than certain, include it with a tag so the reader can judge your confidence. If you only know what's happening in the short term, but there's something preventing you from knowing what happens after a certain point in time, then make a meticulously detailed short-term plan and put a more vague long-term plan alongside of it. If you haven't learned the skills to plan, fine. Subscribe to the channel or follow me and I'll show you how. Until then, just write a list of things that need to be done with any start and end dates you can provide. It's better than nothing. If you only know how to make a plan on a page, make one. If you only know how to make a task list, make one. If you only know how to make a checklist, make one. Once you get started on what you can do, it's easy to take small steps to the next improvement. You can build on your skills and learn in real time as you develop your plan and your planning techniques. You can expand on the detail as it becomes available because now you have somewhere to capture it. Yes, it'll take time, but it's time when you'll have something instead of nothing. And something is better than nothing. A bad plan on paper can be challenged and improved. Activities in your head can't. A partial plan can still inform stakeholders. Unstructured thoughts can't. A work in progress can give confidence that you're doing the work. An absent document can't. So write the plan you can, and we'll figure out the rest later.